Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. There are good YouTube creators who show you how to make good thumbnail designs. But in this video I will copy the way how a big company make a YouTube thumbnail. I'm talking about the Apple company. Open the Apple page on YouTube. Locate the search box and type Vision Pro. This video has 55 million views. Take a screenshot of the page. Every device has a unique way to do this, so I skip this step. In your browser, type photopea.com. Photopea is an alternative Photoshop program, but is free and browser-based. That means it works with low-end computers. Photopea has a ribbon with toolbar and in the left side some tools. My goal is to import the screenshot who I have taken and cut out the thumbnail. Click on Open from Computer. Locate the screenshot and click Open. Click on Rectangle Select tool. Make a selection around the thumbnail. Click Image, click Crop. Click File, Export as JPG. Click on Save and save the image. Now we try to analyze the thumbnail. Let's make the thumbnail a little smaller. We will see that it's difficult to see the details of the image. That means we don't rely on details that no one can notice. The success of the thumbnail is its simplicity. The thumbnail consists only of 4 things. Number 1. A monochrome background. One color or combinations of colors corresponds to the theme of each video. On the internet you will find detailed guides and forums about the topic. Here the black background gives elegance and emphasis on what we want to show. Number 2. Object. The object must be displayed clearly and the object size must be at least plus 70% of total thumbnail. Number 3. Logo. The logo gives the viewer the opportunity to recognize you and stop looking for another video. It is a good practice to put your logo in your thumbnail. Number 4. Text. A couple of words are enough. Unfortunately, the font I use in video is not the original who Apple use, but is something similar. My goal here is to set the image as a base on which I build my thumbnail. On the Photopea first screen, click New Project. Click the tab Social and scroll down until you find and click YouTube Thumbnail. Click Create. This is my background layer in thumbnail size. Now I want to import the image from my device to Photopea. Click File, then click Open and Place. Select the image and click Open. A new layer was created with the name of my image. I see only a small image, so I scale it. Now I will drag the 2 edges of my image to cover up my background. Reduce the opacity and I finish with the base thumbnail. Now I will make the first element of my thumbnail the black color background. In the left toolbar, click on Gradient tool. When I click inside in Layer 1 area, my black background is ready. My goal here is to insert the object and the Apple logo. Each object will create a unique layer, and in the end, all will compose my final thumbnail. In the Google search bar, type Vision Pro. I have clicked on the Image tab to take results, only images. When I choose my target, right-click. Open image in the new tab. In the new tab, right-click, Save Image As. Click Save, and the image is in my device. The object must be clear with no background and in PNG format. I click Open from the computer. Select the image and click Open. Click Layer. Remove BG. File, Export as, PNG, Save. File, Open and Place. I select my PNG image. The new image is in wrong position, a little smaller size. I move the image in the better place, and I scale it a little bit by dragging the two side edges. Now I search for white logo in black background. I select the logo, but here I will not clear the background because I have same color background. File, Open and Place, Logo. Here is too large. I do the same as before, move and scale it down until it's covered the original. And my final goal is the text. If you find the right font, you can download, then insert the font and use it in Photopea. I will use a similar font. Click on Type tool. If you search, you find more fonts like this. Change the color of font. The font now is white. Type the word Introducing. Move it to the right position. If you look closer, the space between the letters is different. I select all the letters so the changes I do will apply to all the letters. In the right panel, there is the Character tab with the letter T. The value has the name Tracking, and I put value minus 80%. The same I do for the next words. I type Vision Pro. I change the size. Now I change the distance of some letters with a value of minus 55%. I do the same for the last word. When I am happy with the result, flat the layers. Now I can export as JPEG. Click Save. And the thumbnail is saved on my device.